Everything about sailing is a challenge.
Everything's moving. It's a battle to keep everything as you need it.
It's one of the most intense things to cover.
It's a lot about speed of the athletes, about interesting moves. You have to be really focused and concentrated. You have to be spot on, can't repeat it.
Well, I've been shooting with the D6 today, instantly noticing an improvement in the autofocus system.
I was surprised that it is possible to push the autofocus system further. The lock-on settings give you more options, and the tracking of the D6 is another step forward compared to the D5.
For the options of slightly widening the single point focus has helped me enormously, giving me a bit more grab area.
14 frames per second, extremely helpful in the world of sports photography, just to capture the peak moment, and the JPEG image qualities, so I can get out a nearly perfect frame to the editor, and that saves a lot of time for him and the process to the market.
That makes our job so much easier. The less time we have to spend tweaking the image is the quicker we get it out.
The file straight from camera is absolutely spot on, and it's everything we need it to be.
Your eye is drawn immediately to all the detail. Nothing's blown out, nothing's over sharpened.
It never stops. And the time competition is on, you have no time to breathe.
In this day and age with social media, people want to just get that moment out straight away.
The content we create needs to go out to the client as quick as possible.
We want to be the first to have that image out on our feed.
If the network isn't great and you line up frames, now I can flick up and prioritize an image to get out to the editor much faster.
And that popped up on the top of my feed, so now I was able to jump on that straight away and send that out as quickly as possible.
So Nikkor lenses are definitely the best in the market. It's one of the reasons why you choose this brand. It's not just a camera, it's always a combination of lens and camera.
Nikon gives me what I need. It gives me confidence. We can go out, we can get wet, we can come back, and we can go again.
Our equipment needs to be ready to deliver day by day, wherever we get sent.
I would say, for sport, this camera is it. This is the holy grail. This is all we've wanted. It can't get much better than this.